beautiful friends! Welcome back to Sisters Me. Do you know what time it is? It's science time with Sisters Me. But first we need PPE. Abracadabra. Safety first. So Rhea, what experiment are we going to do today? We are going to do an experiment to show that carbon dioxide is acidic and have an adult help you when you do this experiment. What is carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is the stuff you breathe out. Carbon dioxide is acidic and that is bad for our bodies. That's why we breathe it out. So how can we show that carbon dioxide is acid? Simple! These flasks have water and phenol red. Phenol red is a color indicator. It changes from red to yellow-oranges when a solution is acidic. This one is vinegar, and we know that is acidic. We're going to add it to this one as a control. Cool. See, it turned yellow. We have a balloon that we blew up with carbon dioxide from our breath. I have a straw attached that's pinched off, and I'm going to put it in the phenol red solution. Now we are going to show you how carbon dioxide is acidic. Whoa, it's turning orange. It is. I see bubbles. Whoa! That's so cool. It is. The more we hold it in here, the more carbon dioxide is let out, and the solution becomes more acidic. There's a lot of air in there. There is. Like a punch of air. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And give it a huge thumbs up. And remember, be kind to others and make new friends. Bye-bye.